Hello students, how are you all? Children, we have started with chapter number 4, subtraction. In this chapter, we have already studied subtraction facts, subtraction with borrowing, without borrowing. Now today, we are going to learn something interesting. You know how to solve a subtraction question, right? But sometimes we feel whether our answer is correct or not. So today we are going to learn how to check whether our answer is correct or not. So our topic for today is checking subtraction. Now look at this number. Here we have 46 minus 36. Okay, let us solve this. 46 minus 36, the answer will be 10. Correct? Children, in this question, the number 46 is a minuend, number 36 is subtrahend, and the answer that we got is difference. So children, after solving the subtraction question, how you will check that the answer is correct or not? There is one simple method. Okay, for that we have to add the difference and the subtrahend. The difference that we have got and the subtrahend, if we add, we will get minuend. If we get the minuend, that means our subtraction is correct. So in short, we can say that to check a subtraction, we have to add the difference between two numbers to the subtrahend to get the minuend. And if we get the minuend, that means our subtraction is correct. Let us see. In short, check is equal to what? How we are going to check? Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Now children, here the same example I have taken. Difference that we got is 10 and the subtrahend was 36. Let us add them. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. Children, 46 is our minuend. We got 46 as minuend. That means our subtraction is correct. The subtraction that we have done is correct. Children, this method is applicable for 3-digit number, 4-digit number, for any digit numbers. Now let us take a bigger number and see how to check your answer. Children, here we have 7,824 minus 5,492. First we have to write all the numbers in their proper place. Now let us subtract. In ones place we have 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2, children? Yes, it is 2. In tens place we have 2 minus 9. Is it possible, children? 2 minus 9? If you have 2 chocolates, can you give me 9 chocolates? No, it is not possible. That means we have to borrow from our friend. Okay, so number 2 in tens place will go to hundreds place. In hundreds place we have 8. 8 will give, that is 800 will give 100. 8 minus 1 is 7. So we will cut 8 and we will write 7. Okay. Children, now here we have got 100. Right? 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay. Children, in tens place we already have 2 tens. So we will just add that and we got here 12 tens. So we will cut 2 and we will write here 12. Okay. Now is it possible, children? 12 minus 9? Yes. What is 12 minus 9? Count, children. After 9, 10, 11, 12. We have got 3 fingers. So here we will write 3. Then moving towards hundreds place, we have 7 minus 4. Again, children, count after 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got here 3. Then, children, in thousands place, we have 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. So, children, our difference is 2332. After finding the difference, we also have to check our answer. We have to check whether the difference is correct or not. For that, we have to add a difference and subtrahend. So first we will write here the difference, which is 2332, plus a subtrahend, which is 5492. Now let us add. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9, children, is 12. So 1 will be carry over and we will write 2 down. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. As you can see, children, we have got 7824, which is equal to our minuend. That means our subtraction is correct. Now take out your textbooks and your notebook. We are going to solve exercise 4.3. Now this question is from exercise 4.3, which is in your textbook. Our first question is subtract and check your answer. Children, you are going to write the answers in your textbook itself for question number 1. Let us take A1. 8874 minus 3210. Let us first subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 8 minus 2. How you will do 8 minus 2, children? You have to count after 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you have got? 6 fingers. So we will write here 6 and 8 minus 3 is in thousands place. Subtract that, count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers we have got? 5. So my answer is 5. Children, after subtraction, the difference that we have got is 5664. Now we have to check. For checking, we have to write the difference and the subtrahend. So first we will write here 5664. Put plus sign. Write 3210. Then we are going to add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Children, as you can see, we have got the answer 8874, which is equal to our minuend. That means our subtraction is correct. Please note it down, children, in your textbook. Now we are going to solve B question, which is 9324 minus 6006. 728. Children, we will start from ones place. In ones place, we have 4 minus 8. Now, is 4 minus 8 possible? No. Remember children, if you have 4 chocolates, can you give me 8 chocolates? No, it is not possible. So, we have to borrow from our friend. That is in tens place. In tens place, we have 2 tens. From 2 tens will give us 1 10. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? And 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. In ones place, we already have 4. So, 10 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 14 ones. So, cut 4 and write here 14. This is how we get 14. Now, 14 minus 8. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now, children, how we will subtract this? We will count after 8, which is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have got 6 fingers. So, write here number 6 in ones place. Moving towards tens place, again 1 minus 2 is not possible. So, we will borrow from hundreds place. In hundreds place, we have 300. So, 300 minus 100. Okay, we will take 100. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, cut 3 and write here 2. And 100 is equal to 10 tens. So, in tens place, we have got 10 tens plus this 1 tens, which is equal to 11 tens. So, cut 1 and write here 11. Okay. Now, 11 minus 2 is possible. Subtract children. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers you got? 9 fingers. So, write here number 9. After that, in hundreds place, we have 2 minus 7. Again, it is not possible. So, we have to borrow from thousands place. So, we will go to thousands place. We have 9,000. So, from 9,000, we will take 1,000. 9,000 minus 1,000 is 8,000. Or 9 minus 1 is 8. So, cut 9 and write here 8. 1,000 is equal to 1000. Okay, children. So, 1000 plus this 200 is equal to 1200. So, you will cut 2 and you will write here 12. Now, 12 minus 7 is possible. What is 12 minus 7? Count children after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have got 5 fingers. So, we'll write here 5. Now, children, 8 minus 6. What is 8 minus 6? 2. So, we'll write here number 2. So, children, our answer is, or the difference is 2596. Now, we have to check whether this answer is correct or not. So, first you will write down the difference 2596. Put addition sign. We are adding the subtrahend, which is 6728. Now, 6 plus 8 is 14. So, 1 we will carry over and we will write 4 down. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 1 we will carry over and 2 we will write down. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So, 1 here we will carry over and we will write here 3. Then 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9. As you can see, children, we have got here 9324, which is equal to our minuend. That means our subtraction that we have done is correct. Now note it down, everyone, children, properly. Now let us move towards question number 2. Question number 2 you have to note down in your notebook. So remove your classwork. In that, take a new page and write exercise 4.3. Then write question number 2. Subtract and check your answer. A1, 4875 from 6987. Children, now look at the question carefully. Okay, here from is given. That means 6987. This number you will write first. It is our minuend. And 4875 is our subtrahend. You have to draw the columns properly. Please use ruler. Everyone use a scale. Write down all the place value properly and then arrange your numbers. After that, we will subtract. 7 minus 5. We will start from 1's place. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer or the difference is 2112. Children, then again you have to draw a box where we are going to check. Okay. Now here the first one you will write the place value. Now if you remember, in your textbook the place value is not given in your check box, but in your notebook you are going to draw it properly. So write your ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. After that, write down the difference, 2112. We have to add plus sign, 4875. Add from 1's place. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 2 plus 4 is 6. As you can see, we have got 6987, which is our minuend. That means our subtraction is correct. Children, please note it down. After A question, children, now note down the B1, which is 6097 from 7518. First of all, we have to draw the columns properly. Then we have to write the place value and then write the numbers in the proper place. Children, this sum I have already done for you. We will go through it. 7518 minus 6097. After subtracting, we will get the difference as 1421. Now, how to check your answer? We have to add the difference and subtrahend. So, again, draw one more box and the columns. Write down the difference, then add the subtrahend. So, we will just add it. 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 will be carry over and 1 you will write down. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 1 plus 6 is 7. Children, as you can see, the answer that we have got is same as the minuend, 7518. That means the subtraction that we have done is correct. Children, this you have to note down in your notebook. Now children, for your homework sums, question number 1, C and D sum is your homework. You will do the sums in the textbook itself. Those who don't have textbook, they will write it down in the notebook. Then question number 2, again C and D sum you will do as homework. Note it down children, everyone. Thank you students.